This is Lily's race car track made by Grandpa, right? Right? Let's see. Let's do the fast modifieds first, okay, Lily? You ready? I'm ready. Let's see the modifieds.
No, just go.
No? Oh, okay. Whoosh. Oh, was that good? Okay, let's go. Two at a time? Two at a time? Up, up, up. Up. He didn't go very far. He flipped. This is the Indy car. Let's see the Indy car. Say, go, Indy car, go.
No,
All right. Yeehaw. Ooh. Is this a modified?
Yes.
This is a modified, like Grandpa's car?
Yes.
Okay, let him go. Ooh. Oh. Was that the best?
Yes.
That's the best car because it's just like Grandpa's. Ooh, he did. Oh, they crashed in the end. They crashed at the end. Last one. This is the snowmobile. Whoa, that's like Aunt Lorraine's, huh?